Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with the 200 Things 2022, hosted by Miss Kathy of Kathy's World here on YouTube. And today on this video, I'm going to do some clusters. So, what I'm going to do is pull out my scrap envelope here and see what we can pull out of here. I'm going to do a few things of washi and maybe a few little note cards we can use. We can use some stuff off of this one. We can use the butterflies off of that one.
I have to tell you, I think this here is going to be amazingly beautiful.
Let me see. I'm looking for another one.
See, so there I just put a row of the knots there. Look how much hair she has already.
Okay. We're going to use these, and I'm going to use the top here to make my cluster. So, I'm going to get my trimmer. Let's put this over there to the side. Everything to the side, to the side. Okay, we got that. Now, what I want to do is, while I have my trimmer, I'm going to separate the butterflies, like so. And then I'm going to cut here with my scissors. Okay, so now, let me get my scissors. We're going to make a couple of clusters, like so. And we're going to trim this out here. I don't want that piece, so that piece can go away. I don't want this here, so that can go away. I don't want the long stems on the pumpkin, so that's going to go. There. And I want to make another cluster using this piece, so there we go. That's a set. And I have my garter right here, so we can do that. Okay, let's do the butterflies. Y'all can join in on the hashtag 100 things. Or 200 things, I'm sorry. It is a fun way to get your creative juices going. And get more ideas to do other projects.
Madonna and Bambino by printed in Italy.
Just trimming these out. I'm taking the antennas off of them because I don't want them. There. And then we're going to do this. I'm going to go in a little bit more here. Like so. And we're going to take this and put it in our recycle. So now, we have this so far. And we're going to look in our envelope here. We have this. Well, we don't want no Christmas stuff. So we're going to use other things. We have the music. We have book paper. We have plain. And we have another butterfly here. Not this. We can also use this. I mean, there's a lot of things that we can use. So I'm going to put this back in my bucket over here so I don't have that much stuff scattered about my desk here. So we're going to get started. I'm going to use some of this phone book paper, like so. And then I'm going to take a piece of this, put it across like so. And we're going to take this and put it like that. And then we have one cluster down. So we're going to put some glue in the center here. And the pressure tells me that I need to clean out the nozzle. So we're going to clean out our nozzle. There we go. That is clean. Let's go through it one more time. And it's clean. So now I'm going to take this piece, put our glue. See, now it flows a lot easier. And there's not no pressure. So I'm going to take this piece, put it like so. And then we're going to go in and we're going to trim the edges off before it gets too thick. Like so. Like a lot. And get this out. And then we're going to put our pumpkin. Oops, this needs some more glue. Like that. Then we're going to take our pumpkin and put our pumpkin this way. She just aged. She got wrinkled. I'm sure and I'm going to do that. I want to try to get everything showing. So I'm going to do it this way so we have our music and our phone book paper showing. Okay, I'm going to flip it over and trim off the edges. Okay. Okay. And we got that cluster done. And I want to add a tiny butterfly. Yes, we're going to add the small butterfly on the bottom. Like a lot. And cluster number 1 done. Okay. Now we're going to do cluster number 2. Same way. We're going to get our music paper, our book paper. Oh, this one needs to be cut. Okay. Because this one's sewn, so. And then we're going to take a piece of plain printer paper here. And just rip it like so. Turn it that way. We're going to put a butterfly in the center. And then the word blessed on the bottom. So let's get this one done. Like a dot. And then there's still some glue at the bottom, so I'm just going to put a little glue here. And turn this a little. Put that like this. Then we're going to put our music one. We're going to put the glue on the back. Like so. And turn this one just like that. Now, before I put my word on, I'm going to do this. Clean it up a little. I know some people like to leave the edges on. I do it my way and my way alone. So I'm going to take this butterfly, put it there, right on above, and I'm going to put the word blessed at the bottom. Okie dokie. So, whoops, upside down, butterfly there, and blessed on the bottom.
Now then,
like that.
and this face is going to live
And there's cluster number 2.
here on this beautiful
Now,
person. Oh, see,
we can do another cluster,
baby face.
but this time I want to use some ribbon on it. So I'm going to grab this purple ribbon, trim off a piece.
She's a mess once the wrinkles get there. Okay, so once I get that
And I'm using whatever I have on my desk, okay?
the next one I make, I'm definitely
so this one, I think I'm going to go with red line tape, okay?
every wrinkle shows up.
And this is some very, very sticky tape. So I'm going to put a piece going across like that, trim that, burnish it, and let's see if I can use my pokey tool to get the backing off. There. Save this because you might be able to work it into your cluster. We're going to try. So now I'm going to take this. No, don't like it. So I'm going to tear a long piece of this. Put it like so on there. Take another piece. Go this way. Burnish.
Oh, yeah, she doesn't need a collar. I just thought of something else too. I think. Okay, what did I just think? I want to.
So we got that burnish, and we're going to take our tool by Zena, the Sassy Crafter, here on Facebook. And we're going to do what we have to do to get this red line piece backing off. And put that to the side. And just fold this over like a so. And I'm going to put this going this way and the butterfly in the middle with some glue. So I'm going to take this, trim all the excess off.
I'm so excited now that I don't have to watch how much time
Okay,
I put on my stream.
like that.
And you guys don't have to stay the whole time. Y'all can just leave anytime.
And we're going to stick the butterfly right in the middle. Let me put my pokey tool back over there. And that's going to go just like that.
Oh, see, Mala says I have wrinkles. They're special like glitter. That's right.
Like so. And here's our third cluster. So we can take this. Whoops, I picked up everything in there.
Here's something I found on the web. According to Wikipedia,
And put that like that.
the Dragon Coaster has approximately 3,400 feet of track and is, at its highest.
Okay, so now we have our 3 clusters done. Let me pick up here, clean up a bit. And so we didn't use washi tape, so we might use it in another project that's coming up. So here's my 3 clusters. Clusters can be used on anything, tuck spots or whatever. So that's my 3. Let's put this back where it goes so nothing's out of place. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe by hitting the red button down below that says subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new videos, when I do live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be safe. Remember, your everything is made with love in every stitch. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.